Quiet on set.
Hey guys, I'm Ethan with Trackstar Motorworks. This is my buddy Ryan. We're bad at this. Hey guys, I'm Ethan with Trackstar Motorworks. This is my buddy Ryan. Today we are going to be unboxing this Kraftwerks blower kit for his 2010 Camaro.
Absolutely, super excited. Below us here we got some power. Now let's see what's inside the box. So the first thing you'll see inside your Kraftwerks box is a bunch of foam. Ooh. Ooh.
There's a lot of stuff in this box.
Oh, there's a lot of stuff in this box.
There's some extra stuff in this box.
What's inside?
I'm going to go straight to the main item right there.
The most important.
The heart of the kit here.
All right, more installation papers.
Got our feed and oil feed bolts there.
Oil feed bolts.
Pretty.
Oh yes. All right, so we got a Rotrex style blower.
Let's go and open up the drive kit.
So what do we got there, Ethan?
It says drive kit. I'm not 100% sure what that.
So just so y'all know, we're just as surprised as y'all are when we open these boxes.
Okay, so that's the belt.
Okay.
And then a couple pulleys, it looks like. It's all sealed up there.
Yep.
Hardware, Loctite to go with it.
That's convenient.
That's I think that's a crank pulley bolt then.
Okay.
Is what that is. So 2 pulleys and the belt itself. That's that box. Hose kit.
Hose kit. I feel like Ethan's sitting down on Christmas morning right now.
On Christmas morning though, I always tried to wait for like, I'd hold off for the item that I knew I most wanted. I'd wait for that like last.
Yeah, last.
Yeah. I opened that first with the blower. Hose clamps, zip ties. This is all, so there's a different water reservoir with the kit. So these are all parts to talk to that reservoir, I assume.
Nice and pretty.
Upper radiator hose. Not really sure on that one yet, but and then another heater core piece it looks like.
What's next?
Reservoir kit, so this will be the partners
Accompanying
for
that?
all that. Yep.
Ooh.
Yeah, I think we actually have to
We need to unwrap
open
that.
that up, yeah. Nice finish on that. Very nice looking piece.
Oh, wow.
Cool bracket.
What?
Yeah, nice.
That is super nice.
Probably replaces the ugly plastic reservoir in the bay, you know. Got nice lines to go to that. Some kind of secondary reservoir. I guess this is a replacement overflow tank.
Wow.
Also pretty. Nice Kraftwerks logo there.
That looks sweet.
Very nice. Engine bay is gonna be looking nice. Got let's see what we got, an adapter. Some kind of bracketry, all the hardware, all neatly packaged individually. So I assume these will be labeled in instructions and tell us very clearly what goes where. Yep.
All right, what's next?
This should be the main bracket. Let's see, there's a bunch of parts in here.
Oh, wow.
Like the main bracket.
Main bracket there.
Another bracket piece. Bracket piece. Bracket. Spacers for brackets.
Oh yeah. Oh man, that looks great.
Man, that is a cool looking piece.
Wow, that looks sweet.
It's nice. You can see the texture that they have on the pulley. So gets a little bit extra, grip.
That is slick.
Really cool though. Okay, and we've already got the hardware in the piece right now, so that makes it nice and easy for us.
That's good.
Yeah, I really like the finish on the pieces as well.
And we plan on going on with an all black engine bay in this. All black and chrome. Another piece.
All right, that's everything from the bracket kit. This final piece up.
So this is everything that you get in the bracket kit right here. Boy, that piece is nice.
Yeah, then because the blower actually faces backwards, that part will be facing the firewall. And this will be front and center though, kind of.
Yeah.
Off to the side actually, but yeah.
All right, let's go to the next part.
Got oil cooler kit now. That was a total bonus, but I guess it's oil cooler for the oil that's actually lubricating the charger.
Yes, not the motor.
So like, yeah, a lot of blowers would have a heat exchanger, which does not work as good as the air-to-air that's in this kit. This is just the oil supply for the blower. So we got like our fuel filter. Here's the reservoir that holds the oil. This is the proprietary Rotrex traction fluid. This is the only stuff you can use, and I think it's like a 50,000 miles change out period.
Yeah, 2 years or something like that.
All the hardware, nice and neat. The bracket to hold down the reservoir. Then we've got all of our associated line. There's the cooler itself. That'll mount somewhere on the front of the car and cool down that fluid that's going through the blower. So that's a nice setup to have for the longevity and reliability of everything.
Another pretty piece.
Man, a lot of good looking parts and brackets, that everything has got a nice black finish on it.
Yeah, it's got insignias and everything.
This is gonna look really nice all together in the bay, I'm sure of it. Magnetic inline filter.
Okay, so that's the oil cooler.
Yes, and it looks like it's already got some nice brackets made, just ready to bolt on to the Camaro chassis. That is nice. Don't have to do any
Fabrication.
guesswork or fabrication to get this on there. I like that. Makes my life a little easier. As we install the parts on the car, I think we'll get kind of a rehash of, hey, here's what was in this box and it's going on now.
100%.
We have, of course, map sensor here. The stock map sensor only reads up to a certain amount of boost, so this is like an upgrade to make sure that we don't reach a cap based on what the map sensor can read.
That's nice to have.
Leave that in its bag right now.
Okay, great. All right, what's next?
Let's see what we got here. Tool and accessory kit. So yeah, this is a crankshaft key kit. So we're gonna install a key on the crank to make sure that that belt / that pulley can never slip on the crankshaft at high load, high horsepower. So this should assure that if that crank is spinning, that blower is spinning.
Yes.
Might as well go ahead and open up these injectors. I think these are the 1150s or something. Ooh. Very nice. Got our flow data. All the dead times are here, so that's helpful for tuning.
Yep.
Got our injector clip adapters. Very nice packaging. I'm excited to use these new Grams injectors. Very nice piece.
All right, injectors down.
Here's the Diablo Sport tuning device. I'm not exactly sure if, if this is going to apply to all cars and if we are even going to use this on ours, but might as well open it up.
See what's inside it.
This is going to be just a device that plugs into the OBD port and can be used to flash a bass tune to the vehicle. It's a handheld programmer, and then it just plugs into the OBD port that any modern car has down there under the dash, and it's going to be preloaded with the appropriate tune information that you give them your. If you got the whole kit with their injectors, we got a little bit bigger injectors on ours, but if you got their whole kit, theoretically this has the tune already on it, ready to go.
Yeah, super convenient.
All right, let's get this ATI damper out. Looks like it's a couple pieces here. Here's the main piece though. That is pretty.
That looks really
high quality race car stuff there.
All right, we're running out of boxes, Ethan.
Yeah, just this piping kit, I think, is all that is left.
Boy, I have to say though, I am super impressed with the quality of all the machine work and the parts.
Yeah, look at that. Already
All
has
pretty.
the couplers on it with the clamps on it. Kind of look at the piping too. Look at that.
Wow, that looks great. Number 2. All right, we got number 3. And number 4.
Just one more piece left here. Let's do that.
And that
little coupler there.
Okay, coupler
And then our air intake piece. Oh, look at that. Very nice.
that is super nice. Boy, all those pieces just look great together.
Looks like they've got brackets.
Bracket.
Pre-made brackets with the kit. Also nice looking pieces.
Yep.
No corners cut there. What do we got here? What is stencil, I think?
To
That
paint
is
it.
definitely what that is.
Wow, that's cool.
It's kind of cool.
I won't be doing that, but
There we go.
that looks great.
All right, guys, well, that is gonna complete the Kraftwerks unboxing video. Thanks for checking it out. I am excited to get this on the car and show you guys the process of tuning and actually start making some power with this thing. Please check it out on our channel, Trackstar Mediaworks. Like, subscribe. Have a good one.